Hi, I'm Rishi Murudkar, and this is my work for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript Project 1. So this is the home page for my project, and we can go to the registration requirement. So this is the sign up page. We can create an account. So I'm going to go with, let's go with Alan 8, and password, I'll type in the password. And so we're created the account, we've logged in, and now we're at the search bar. And let's look at the logout and the login requirement real quick. So we logged out, and we can see that on the navigation bar, the search bar, it's disabled, and that's because we're logged out. But if we log back in, we're taken back to the search bar. So let's search a book, and the books, I imported the books.csv file, and this is the import.py file right here. This is the file I used to create the table. I created these columns, and that's how I'm looking up the books. And so if we go back, let's search for a book, Writing at Night. And this is the book page. And so you can see the requirements. It displays the title, it displays the author, publication year, ISBN. It displays the Goodreads review data, which was the number of ratings and the average rating. And so we can make our own review. So let's rate this book a 4, and let's say I learned a lot from this book. And let's give it a 4. And submit. And so now we've taken to this review submitted page. So let's take a look at the book, the review. So go back to Lady at Night. We can see our review. We can see our username, the review and the rating we gave, and the timestamp. And so that's that. Let's take a look at the API access. So if we come up here and type API, we're taken to this API access page. And so we have the required information. So this is that. And so yeah, that is the project. That's all the requirements.